The countries of the prophets. 1. Prophet Adam, Sri Lanka. Adam was the first human being. 2. Prophet Idris from Iraq. He was the first of the children of Adam. 3. Prophet Noah from Iraq. Prophet Noah lived among people who were stone idol worshippers in a society that was wicked and corrupt. 4. Prophet Hud from Yemen. He is a lesser-known prophet in Islam who was sent to the people of Ad. 5. Prophet Saleh from Iraq. He was the descendant of the great Noah, peace be upon him. 6. Prophet Ibrahim from Iraq. He was given the title of the friend of Allah. 7. Prophet Ismail from Palestine. He is Ibrahim's son. 8. Prophet Ayub, Saudi Arabia. He was an example of patience and obedience. 9. Prophet Ishaq from Palestine. He is the son of Ibrahim and the father of Yaqub. 10. Prophet Lot from Iraq. He was sent by Allah to the people of Sodom and Gomorrah. 11. Prophet Yaqub from Palestine. He is the son of Ishaq and the father of Yusuf. 12. Prophet Yusuf from Palestine. He is the son of Yaqub, and he's considered one of the most important prophets in Islam. 13. Prophet Shoaib from Syria. He was sent to the people of Madin. 14. Prophet Musa from Egypt. 15. Prophet Harun from Egypt. He is the brother of Prophet Musa. 16. Prophet Dawood from Palestine. He was known for his courage, wisdom, and piety. 17. Prophet Suleiman from Palestine. He had the ability to speak with animals and rule over the jinns. 18. Prophet Ilyas from Palestine. He was a prophet who was sent to the people of Israel. 19. Prophet Al-Yasa from Palestine. He was sent by Allah to the Israelites. 20. Prophet Yunus from Iraq. He was sent to the people of Nineveh in present-day Iraq. 21. Prophet Dhul-Kifl from Palestine. Hel is another lesser-known prophet in Islam who was sent to the people of Israel. 22. Prophet Zachariah from Palestine. He was born in the city of Jerusalem and was known for his devotion to Allah. 23. Prophet Yahya from Syria. He was a prophet who was born to Zachariah and was tasked with continuing his father's legacy. 24. Prophet Isa from Palestine. Also known as Jesus, he was a prophet who was born to Mary and was sent to the people of Israel. 25. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from Saudi Arabia. He is the last and most respected prophet in Islam, and the best creation of Allah. This is the end of this episode. Subscribe for more content.